Hey editor, the $300 editor is clueless. They try to fix the problem with better tools, faster workflows, or new software. But those only change how you edit, not how you think about editing. The top 1% of editors approach every project with a different strategy. They see patterns 99% of editors miss and know exactly how to position their value so clients see them as partners, not just hands on a timeline. And once you truly understand it, it's a permanent rewiring that brings you permanent results and permanent clients. Soon, I'm opening the doors to show you the system behind that mindset. It's the same framework I use to go from anxious freelance jobs to high ticket retainers, and the same one my students are using to earn 1K to 3K per edit. This isn't another editing tutorial, it's the shift that changes everything. Keep an eye on your inbox, you'll see what I mean soon. Until then, go get some sauce from my YouTube channel. Y'all have a good one.